Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by positioning the watch face down on a soft cloth. This prevents scratches. Use a spring bar tool or small flat screwdriver to depress the quick-release pin. Push toward the center to disengage the bar. You want steady pressure, not force, because the bar is spring-loaded and can fly out. Once the bar clears the lug, gently pull the strap free. Repeat for the other side. Make sure the replacement matches lug width, because mismatched width causes poor fit and stress on the pins. Now you fit the new strap by threading the spring bar into the strap slot. Compress it just enough to fit between the lugs. Align one end into its hole first, then use the tool to compress the opposite end and guide it into place. You should hear or feel a secure click. Once both sides are seated, tug gently to confirm engagement. If alignment looks tilted, remove and reseat. Improper seating causes wear and possible detachment while wearing the watch. Finish by performing firm, controlled tugs and moving the band through full rotations. You're checking for hidden play. If you spot any shifting, remove the strap and try a new spring bar. Old bars deform and fail. Once done, clean the lug area to remove debris. Dirt prevents full seating. If the bar pops out repeatedly, choose a slightly thicker bar or strap end because fit matters more than force. Remember, slow, careful correction beats repeated snap-ins that damage lugs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.